finally warm enough that you can come out in the evening, and listen to the screaming birds. And maybe also have some midnight snack before you go to sleep. I know that doctors say it's not good to eat just before sleeping. But I mean, doctors also recommended cigarettes in the 50s, so whenever a doctor goes that you should not eat right before sleep, I'm like, yeah, well, you also sold cocaine as a cold medicine at some point, so maybe it's good, maybe it's not. Enjoy your spring evenings.